Okay, so you are using this video, open this video, and then you go to our system, click this video center, and here is our machine. This machine is online, and click this monitor, and you can see the monitor, and for the camera from the head, and when you don't want to see it, you can click this button. Okay, so here is close now, and we have 6 buttons. The other button is for the light. The first light is clap it, and the other one is infrared. You need to press on it, and this is our picture version. You need to collect. Yes, and there is our picture. You can see it in this option. Yes, this is our picture, and here is our SOS button. You can collect it.
Calling the central office.
And then you can receive your alarm in your system. You can receive answer. Yeah, and then you can call in for the head using. When you don't using, you can close it. The last is our talking by taxi. So this is our personal broadcast. You can talking by our system to the head, or the head to our system. Here you can talking by your voice, or you can talking by your voice, or you can write it. For example, I say, "How are you?" and send the word. You will receive the voice in the head, and when you want to talking by head, you can keep pressing. How are you? Later you will receive your message and get it from the system.